Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, my dad got a battery pack for free from somewhere. He got it and I'm unboxing it. It's a smart battery pack. It's the one with the LCD at the top. Unboxing it, let's begin. Bank Power Universal Battery Pack for portable devices. Pretty cool. Ooh. It's thin. And it has a flashlight and everything. Ooh, nice. Feels weirdly thin. The power button's on the side. 79%. Wow. Let's peel the plastic, shall we? Should we? I don't know. Yeah, I'll take it off. Why not? Oh, it's nice. Then what else comes in the box is just the charging cable, micro USB, and that's it. Flashlight. Wow, that's bright. Shines the orange. Wow. That's dark. Wow. Pretty bright. Pretty cool, huh? So that's it for the video. It's just an unboxing of this smart battery pack. Oh, that's SOS. That's fast mode, SOS. It's strobe. And that's SOS. 3 modes of flashlight, and then no, 4 modes of 5. One, 2, 3, 4, no, 3. And it has 2 USB connectors, and that's it. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. And yeah, peace out.